Hello and good morning students. Welcome back to your online tutorial class. In the previous class, we discussed about the history of Delhi and got to see how Delhi became the capital of India. And we also discussed about the capital city. Now in today's class, we are going to discuss about the transport in the city. But before starting today's session, we will just do the revision of the previously learned topic. In the previous class, I told you that the British government decided to shift the capital from Calcutta to Delhi in 1911. Because the main reason behind this was Delhi was the political and financial center of Mughals and the Mughals had already ruled India in earlier times. So the British thought that it will be easy for them to rule India from Delhi instead of Kolkata. So they made Delhi the capital city of India. Then we discussed that Delhi is situated on the banks of the river Yamuna. The city is fully dependent on river Yamuna for water. Delhi is a metropolitan city which has many schools, colleges, offices, tall buildings, parks, shopping malls, etc. We saw that the climate of Delhi is extreme with hot summer, cold winter and amazing spring season. Then we saw that the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan has built a capital city and named it after his own name, Shah Jahanabad. Sir Edward Lutyens has beautifully designed many monuments like Rashtrapati Bhavan, Central Secretariat and Parliament House. He also reconstructed many monuments from the Mughal period.
Now you have to solve some riddles. I am big. Many people can sit in me. A driver drives me from place to place. Children in many schools reach their schools in me. Who am I? Second one, I am very long. I have many boxes, one after the other. I have many wheels and I move very fast. Who am I? Third one, I am big and long. I have two wings and I can fly in the sky. Many people can sit in me and go from place to place. Who am I? Fourth one, I move on water. I am big. I do not have any wheels or wings. Many people travel in me from place to place. Who am I? The first riddle is related to a vehicle which helped the children to reach the school. Okay, so you guessed it right. The answer is bus. Then the second one is very long with many boxes one after another and it moves very fast. So we can guess it. Yes, you are right. It is train. Then the third one, I am big and long. Okay, it is big and long and have two wings and it can fly in the sky. So which vehicle is this? Yes, you are right. Aeroplane. Then I move on water. I am big. I do not have any wheels or wings. Okay, so this vehicle is not having any wheels or wings. Which vehicle is this? Yes, you are right. Ship.
Now, as we had played one game of riddles and solved the answers too, can you tell me which of the vehicle do you think is not used in Delhi? Yes, you are right. Ship. There is no big water body in Delhi, so it is not possible to use ship. However, people use buses, railways and aeroplanes for movement from one place to another. However, people also use private vehicles such as cars, motorcycles, etc. for the movement from one place to another. In Delhi, there is one unique vehicle which is known as metro. Do you know what is a metro? A metro is a type of train which is running in metropolitan city covering all the important residential, commercial and entertainment areas. This has become a backbone of public transport, reducing dependence on the personal vehicles such as cars, bikes, motorcycles, etc. This in short known as metro. Some of the cities also call it subway because most of the trains are underground. The Delhi Metro is a rapid transit system serving in Delhi and its satellite cities like Ghaziabad, Faridabad, Gurgaon, Noida, Bahadurgarh and Ballabgarh in the National Capital Region of India. It is by far the largest and the busiest metro in India and second oldest after Kolkata Metro. The network consists of 11 color-coded regular lines serving 258 stations. Delhi Metro operates over 2700, that is 2700 trips daily starting from 5:30 a.m. which ends at 11:30 p.m. at night.
Transport in the city. The Delhi Metro is the fastest mode of transport in the capital. It also connects Delhi with nearby places like Gurugram and Noida. Delhi Airport is called Indira Gandhi International Airport. It is one of the busiest airports in India. Other popular means of transport are bus, car, bike, cycle, rickshaw, auto rickshaw, and taxi or cab.
The Delhi Metro is the fastest transport in the capital. It also connects Delhi with the nearby places like Gurgaon and Noida. Delhi is having a very big airport which is known as Indira Gandhi Airport. This airport is one of the busiest airport in India. Other means of transports which are used in Delhi are car, auto rickshaw, rickshaw, taxi, cab, motorbikes and bikes, etc. So in short, Delhiites use mostly the public transport or the private transport for their regular transport or movement in the city. In I Learn for Life section of the course book, you will see one sentence. Many people in big cities do carpooling these days. What do you mean by this sentence? What do the term carpooling means? Carpooling is a sharing of journey of car so that more than one person travels in a car and prevents the need of others to drive to a particular location by themselves. What does the carpooling benefit us? The carpooling benefits us in many ways. It reduces the cost of per person traveling to a location such as the fuel cost, toll cost and even the stress of driving the car to a particular location. And it also serves great help to nature as when we do carpooling, there is only one car in which 4 to 5 people are traveling, thus reducing the air pollution. So, I think most of the people in big cities use carpooling and we should also opt for carpooling. And I will say that everybody should opt for carpooling as it benefits us and the nature too. It's time for the quick revision of whatever we learned in today's class. In today's class, we had a talk on the transport of the city Delhi. We got to see that there are many transport facilities available in Delhi such as car, motorcycles, rickshaw, auto rickshaw, taxi, cab, etc. But there is one more unique vehicle which is available in Delhi. That is the Delhi Metro. And I told you that Delhi Metro is the fastest transport in Delhi. It connects Delhi with most of the important commercial and residential, even the entertainment area. So, it is a very big help to the people of Delhi and they use this public transport to visit different places. The metro provides the backbone of the public transport and reduces the dependency on the private vehicles such as cars, motorbikes, etc. I hope in today's class whatever I taught is clear to you and you don't have any doubt regarding this, and even if you face any problem you can ask me in the Zoom class. I'll be back with another video. Till then, stay home, stay safe.
Thanks for watching this video. Lastly, I want to say wear your mask and follow social distancing. Toodles!